What is the lead time, price point, and size availability for wave wall? The standard lead time for wave wall is 3 weeks. The pricing for wave wall depends on the type of material specified. For example, polyresin starts at $29 per square foot. Color laminate starts at $32 per square foot. Varia starts at $44 per square foot. Aluminum starts at $45 per square foot. And wood veneer also starts at $45 per square foot. For size availability, 4x8 panels and 4x10 panels are available, unfinished. Also, small modular tiles are available in 4x8 units. In addition, there are 3 size options for tiles: mini, midi, and maxi. Once installed, the mini size is about 19.5 inches. The midi size is about 29.5 inches, and the maxi size comes out to be about 36.5 inches. What are the design options for wave wall? There are a number of design options for wave wall, and many of them are similar to the options for woven wall and ripple wall. As we just discussed, there are 3 tile size options: mini, midi, and maxi. These different sizes can be used to create different patterns and aesthetics. Another design option is the type of finish. Specifiers can choose from 5 finish options, including polyresin, color laminate, varia, aluminum, and wood veneer. Polyresin is available in 11 different colors. Color laminate has 7 color options. Varia has countless color options, with the only limitation being that it must be 1/16 of an inch gauge. Also, be aware that ghost or whiteout must be used for any Varia option, otherwise the hardware would be visible through the tiles. Aluminum has 6 color options, and there are 13 standard wood veneers to choose from. Be aware that there are additional customization possibilities within each of the standard options, and each possibility will be evaluated on a case-by-case basis. When it comes to pattern direction, any pattern will have to run parallel to the length or long dimension of the tiles. Also keep in mind that for materials that have finish options, such as Varia, sandstone is the recommended or default option because it's the most durable. Finally, when it comes to the gauge, wave wall must always be 1/16 of an inch. Can I use adhesive to make the tiles more permanent? In some cases, customers may want to make the tiles more permanent, to prevent theft, for example. However, they may still need the ability to remove tiles. For instance, they may need to access lighting behind the tiles. In these cases, the best adhesive to use is Sil Glaze 2, which can be purchased from 3form. This adhesive will work as it should with all of our materials except for polyresin. However, even when used on polyresin, this adhesive will make the channel tighter, and despite the lack of true adhesion, would make the tiles more difficult to remove. Furthermore, if the client needs to remove the polyresin tiles, it would work to pull the tiles out, cut off the dried silicone, and then apply new silicone to replace the tiles. Now, if the customer wants something truly permanent, 3M DP 8010 is the choice. This adhesive, in contrast to Sil Glaze 2, does work with polyresin. Note that this is a very strong adhesive, and attempting to remove tiles with this adhesive applied will likely result in damaging the tiles. What is the sheet yield for wave wall? The sheet yield varies based on the tile type, shape, and wall configuration. For polyresin, the sheet yield is generally 2 tiles per sheet. For all other materials, the sheet yield is at least 8 tiles per sheet. Can wave wall be cut by 3form to fit to my exact wall or ceiling dimensions? Since wave wall is a modular system, it can be fit to any dimension to the nearest tile size. Using mini, midi, or maxi, may help achieve this depending on the desired dimensions. What are the competitive products to wave wall? Although there are many decorative alternatives that can be used instead of this solution, there aren't any with a similar look and design as wave wall. What finish option should be used if the client is concerned about durability? The most durable finish for wave wall is Varia, with a sandstone finish.